Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm making Jamaican stir-fried cabbage. I already washed my cabbage in salt water, and here I already prepped all the vegetables that I need to use. I've got white onion, red bell peppers, some garlic, thyme, carrot. And guys, for those of you who like my videos, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for thanks for comment. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I will now be posting videos and Monday, Wednesday and Fridays. So yes guys, so look out for them video day. So guys, let's start it. I've already got my pan, my frying pan on the stove, and the stove already light. So now I'm gonna add some coconut oil to the pot. I do not use olive oil or such like that. I just use teaspoon coconut oil to the pot, not a lot, because you don't need a lot of oil to cook with. So yeah guys, so now that my stove is on and already got the coconut oil, guys, you can see I didn't get a lot in there, just a tiny bit. I'm not a oil person like that. I'm not a butter person. I don't use butter, whether vegan butter, normal, but I never like butter. I don't know why. Anyway guys, so yeah, so now I'm gonna add my carrot in, because you know the carrot take time. So now I'm gonna stir fry off my carrot before I add the rest of vegetable in there, guys. And this don't take long to make. It really don't. It's really simple and easy, and you can have this with anything. You can have it with rice, quinoa, hard food, anything you choose to have it with. Feel free to go ahead and do so. So now I'm starting my carrots so it could get soft before adding the rest of the vegetables to the pot. So yeah guys, just go ahead and make this. It's really good. I like cabbage and hard food, especially cabbage with green banana, pumpkin, and all of that. Yeah. So yeah guys. So guys, when I come back, I'm gonna show you the rest. Okay. I'm gonna show you, because look, guys, the carrot already started. So now, guys, I'm gonna add some thyme to the pot. So this is gonna give it a flavor. Yeah, because carrot takes a long time. It's not a long time, because I don't like saggy carrots. So now, see guys, I have there's no oil in the pot. Look, because that's how I want it. So now I put my thyme in to give it a flavor. So I'm gonna continue stir until it's all a bit soft, not too soft, because you don't need the vegetable to soft, right? So yeah, just like that. So guys, as I said, go ahead and make this. It's really empty. I don't want to put it on high heat. I'm just on a medium heat. Yeah, just want it on a medium heat. So now guys, I'm gonna add my cabbage. I'm gonna put my cabbage in. So already washed. Yeah. Ready. So yeah. Guys, as I said before, you can have it with anything. Feel free to put whatever you like in there and stuff like that. But this is how I cook my stir-fried cabbage. You know, cabbage is a popular thing in Jamaica. So yeah, making this. So guys, when I come back, I'm gonna show you the rest. Okay? I'll see you in a bit, guys. Hi guys, welcome back. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning to the pot. Garlic, onion, and red bell pepper. But as I said guys, you can add butter to it, but I'm not using any butter because I do not like butter. Butter is not for me. I don't like butter since I was a child. So yeah guys, we're gonna mix everything together, combine it together. Guys, this smells so good. And I'll be having this with wild green banana. Yeah guys, it smells so good. Oh my god. You don't need the cabbage to be soft. You don't need saggy cabbage. You just need to stir fry the cabbage. So now guys, I'm gonna add in a bit of salt, pink salt. I'm also gonna add a bit of chili flakes to that. And I'm also gonna add in a bit of pepper, a bit of black pepper to this. Now I'm gonna mix everything together. Then I'm gonna cover this to cook for around 6 minutes to stir fry, so that the carrot, the bell pepper, and all of that can soften up a bit, but not too soft. I don't want it too saggy. I just want a crunchy stir-fried cabbage. Yeah, no soft cabbage. You don't need a vegetable to soft anyway. You just need it to crunchy. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells so good. Wow, smells so good. So guys, when I come back, then I'll show you the rest. See you in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. So now that's my cabbage. It's in the pot. I'm gonna give it a stir. So now I'm gonna remove the thyme from the pot. It's a lot of thyme. I don't want it to overpower it, so I'm gonna remove it. Guys, this cabbage already cooked. Trust me, because you don't need it don't take no time to cook. This you just need a stir-fried cabbage. You just saute it and all of that. So guys, look at that. Yeah, this is ready, and it's on low heat. You don't need it to have it on high heat because you need only your vegetables to cook how you want it. I like mine a bit crunchy, not saggy. So yeah, so guys, now I'm gonna dish my cabbage. So guys, please stay tuned for that. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go and big up on yourself. Okay? Yeah guys, look at that. So, yeah, so my cabbage is ready now. It's already cooked, stir fried. So yeah, so guys, now I'm gonna pour it in this plate so you can see that. I hope everything well. Wow guys, it smells so good, so good. It smells so good. This is how you want your cabbage to look. You don't want no saggy cabbage. Guys, here's the finished product. Can you see? Tastes so good, smells so good. Wow. So guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, now go and pick up on yourself. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And yeah guys, as I said, I will be posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday now from now on. So my other video will be on Friday. So guys, thanks for watching. Go and big up on yourself. Enough love. Bye.